Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Office 365, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Office 365, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Office 365 website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, click on Create a new account. Follow the instructions to set up your new account. After signing in, locate your product key. This key is typically found on the card inside your Office 365 box or in your confirmation. Once you have your product key, go back to the Office 365 website. Click on Enter your product key. Input the key in the designated field. Follow the prompts to confirm your product key. Once confirmed, you will be directed to the Setup page. Select Install Office to begin the installation process. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, open any Office application, like Word or Excel. You will be prompted to sign in again with your Microsoft account. After signing in, your Office 365 will be activated. You can now start using all the features of Office 365. If you encounter any issues during activation, refer to the Microsoft support page for help. Make sure to keep your product key in a safe place for future use. And that's it. You're all set with your activated Office 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.